What's up, drop services? Dylan Sigley here. Today we're going to get into the best ways to get more clients for your drop servicing business. And I run multiple drop servicing businesses driving six figures and an education business called the Drop Servicing Blueprint that teaches drop servicing. So today you're going to get the real strategies and tactics working out there right now. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you like the video, because if you watch it, of course you're going to like it, probably it's going to be great, or dislike it if you think it's going to be terrible. Either way, hit the big red juicy subscribe button and the notification bell so when I release more drop servicing strategies, tactics, and tutorials, you'll get notified. And as we go through the video, make sure to comment below any questions that come up, and I'll personally answer your questions in an upcoming video. Now, if you're new to running a drop servicing business, you're probably wondering, how do I get more clients? Should use Upwork, cold email people, or run Facebook ads? Basically, there's no single right answer for everyone, but one thing's for sure, email is king when it comes to closing deals. The first and one of the most effective ways to get more leads is cold emailing when you're starting out, and this should really be your go-to. And put simply, cold emailing is emailing people that don't know about you or your business. So is cold emailing dead? Well, there's a lot of people out there that say, why bother? They say, you should focus on inbound marketing, but this couldn't be further from the truth. If you can present an offer to a potential client, show the value you can add, and a previous example of work, and compete on price, your offer is going to be irresistible. Think of it this way. You're essentially doing them a favor by reaching out and offering your service. You're leaving them thinking your offer is so compelling, and they're going to be grateful to receive your email. And here's the kicker. The difference between effective cold email and email spam is great email copy should read like a human conversation over a coffee. It's not a sales pitch. You'll never get anywhere if you just spam your offer, because let's be honest, no one likes spam, right? So what does it cost? With cold email, you pay no more than a few $100s max for quality software, making email one of the cheapest forms of marketing out there. Next, make your hit list using LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find your ideal potential clients. Filters are your friend here, and you're going to want specific search filters like job title, company size, industry, location, so you can find your ideal customers. Then you can use a tool like Snovio to extract emails, which you can then upload onto an email marketing software like Woodpecker. And on Woodpecker, you can send email campaigns and track open rates, reply rates, and other key metrics your drop servicing business needs to monitor. So what about spam? One important thing to remember is to warm up your email addresses to prevent your emails from going to the spam folder. And avoid the rookie mistake, never use your primary domain for cold emailing. That's cold email, a powerful tool for drop servicing businesses, and it's how I recommend starting your business today. The second way to get more clients is through referrals. Referrals are simply one of your current or past clients spreading the word about how great your service is. It's simply a recommendation for your business, right? Referrals are one of the easiest sales you'll ever make, and trust is already established, right? You don't need to provide too much extra information or proof to justify the value of your service. To get referrals, actually all you need to do is provide an outstanding service and deliverables to your client in the first place, and if you provide a great service and your clients are satisfied, word will get around. Referrals aren't a simple sit back and wait approach though, especially early on. You need to be proactive. Ask for them. Ask your clients for referrals. If you've done a terrific job and they're happy with your work, they'll gladly help you out. In the beginning, it's normal to feel like you're asking too much, but if you're providing a valuable service, it's likely they'll be grateful to you for reaching out. And if your clients are clearly happy, don't be afraid to mention you're looking to expand. Say you'd really appreciate it if they could connect you with new companies or people in their network so you can help them too. And the third way to get more clients is through Facebook ads. What's great about drop servicing is that there are so many options in how you can market your services, and Facebook advertising is one of the most powerful ways to get clients. Let's check out some of the benefits. Firstly, Facebook ads are cheap when compared to other platforms like LinkedIn and Google ads. Secondly, Facebook ads can be extremely targeted due to the massive amount of data Facebook gathers about its users. This means you can be specific and precise about who you target, and with Facebook ads, you can target users based on their location, demographics, and other highly relevant and specific profile information. You can set a budget per day or campaign and watch the magic happen. When a potential client sees your ad on Facebook, they can be directed to fill out a form, phone number, or send you a message. The choice is yours, and Facebook really makes it happen. This lead could then result in a conversation where you find out more about what they need help with and walk them through how your team can help solve their problem. I actually filmed a video recently about how to set up Facebook ads specifically for drop servicing, so go and check that out in the description after this video here, where I'll break down the process step by step for you. While Facebook ads are comparatively cheap, especially today, you may not have the cash when you're starting out to pay for ads, right? And the learning curve could set you back a bit, and time is money, right? That's why I recommend cold emailing as the simplest and easiest way to get started. And then the third way to get clients is by following up with them. Do you know, simply following up with a client can make you a lot of money. It's really true, and people miss this. I mean, let's say you emailed someone about developing a content marketing strategy for their CBD business and they were interested, asked for pricing, and then they completely ghosted you. They're not interested, so this is a lost cause, right? Wrong. While it's for sure not a good idea to constantly spam a client asking them if they want to buy your service, a short, friendly, empathetic follow-up after a few weeks is something they're going to be grateful for, and it'll keep you in the front of their mind. You'll really be surprised at how often follow-ups actually result in closing a deal. If you're just starting out, you can do these follow-ups yourself. If you have email software set up and you've automated cold outreach, you can set up systems in your software to automatically follow up with people who showed interest but have forgotten to respond. And the fifth way to get clients is search engine optimization, or SEO. Well, kind of. I'm sure you've heard that SEO is a good way to passively get clients coming to you, and that cold outreach is a lost cause, right? Well, in a nutshell, SEO helps your website get to the top of the search results on Google for specific search terms related to your website and what your customers are searching for. For example, a popular search term is graphic designers. And the idea with SEO is that you'd be trying to create content on your website that puts you at the top of the results for these terms. So it's true that there are many businesses making millions of dollars from good SEO, but SEO is so competitive and it can take months, if not years, to rank for terms related to service businesses. This is definitely true if you're picking an extremely popular service like graphic design or WordPress web development. There are a lot of listings to compete with to get to the top. And when I say a lot, I mean it's not worth pursuing this as your main strategy, at least not in the beginning when you're starting out. It's worth creating a content marketing strategy, publishing useful blog posts and stuff like that you can use for your sales process. But if you're just starting out, your fastest and most effective way to get clients is to get in front of their computer screens through cold email or online ads. Then you can use money from your profits to gradually and strategically invest in SEO. And there we go, guys. 5 ways you can go out there and get clients for your drop servicing business right now. The best advice I can give you is to focus on your outreach. Start today with cold email. It's the least costly method with the biggest audience. Do a great job for clients, ask for referrals, send more emails and follow up with leads. Then with a bit of profit, play around with ads, and in the background, not as your main strategy, start working on some aspects of SEO if it's worthwhile for your niche and service. So let me know in the comment section what you've seen the best results with. Have you tried cold emailing? How did it go? And that's the video. Hopefully today you learned something you can actually implement in your business. And once again, like, subscribe, notification bell, and comment below with any questions you have and I'll answer you personally. Until next time.